Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, of course, and today I'm going to go over something just a little bit different. A lot of you guys have watched my vacuum sealer videos before, especially on the Vac100. It's my top pick for chamber sealer for home use because it meets all the needs that you're going to have. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another thing that JVR has now just released to go along with your Vac100. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, guys, so you already know I already have it sitting out here, so you probably already figured it out. So JVR, you know, when they first came out with the Vac100, they were actually giving away these plastic containers, vacuum containers to go with it. So I think you got one, or you could buy some extra when you bought your Vac100 chamber sealer. Well, they had continuous problems with the quality of these. They kept cracking on the bottom because they couldn't take the vacuum pressure that the Vac100 was putting out. So they'd have a lot of these returned because they would crack. They wouldn't hold the vacuum anymore. So they went back to doing more research, trying to find the best container that's going to work with this chamber sealer. So if you bought the Vac100, you know that it does come with this attachment that you can use. You put right here on the vacuum port, and you can use it with your container right here to vacuum seal the container. So since they had the problem with with these plastic ones, a big problem with them cracking, they decided to go ahead and go with an aluminum body here and a really thick plastic lid. So this should take care of any problems that they used to have with the plastic ones, because you don't have to worry about the aluminum cracking. So they actually come with, doesn't come with your Vac100 anymore. These are a little bit more pricey than the plastic ones, so they can't afford to actually put it in with the order for the Vac. But you can order these separately. You can order them in a whole pack of 3. They got 3 different sizes. This is a 1.3 liter. They got the 1 liter, and they got the 0.7 liters. So they're all stair step up. I particularly like this one here because I can usually, I like to buy my coffee beans not ground, and I grind them myself. And then I can actually put them in one of these containers and vacuum seal them, and it stays fresh. So I use it for all that. One of the things that it does come with, now when you buy these separately, you can actually, it comes with a little hand pump that you can use. If you don't want to use it with your Vac100, you can actually just sit here and hand pump these closed as well. Works just the same. Just takes a little bit of effort. And you can release the top, release the vacuum. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. It's got the little round part here that either the hand pump goes into, or your other end of your hose for your Vac100, and it'll vacuum all the air out. It tightens up this top button. When you're ready to open it, you just pull up on this top button, and then it lets all the air out. One of the things I want to show you on top, you can see it's got these little numbers on the lid here. I'll get you up close. So you can actually put the date and the month that you actually vacuum sealed this, so that you know when you did it. So there's your month, there's your day, so you can actually give yourself an idea of when you vacuum sealed this stuff. And you'll also notice this little white piece right here, a little clear piece right here. This is your vacuum indicator. Once that goes down in, you'll know that it's holding the vacuum. If that pops out, you know that your vacuum has been lost. So like I said, this is very thick, hard plastic. This is nice, polished. Could be stainless. Let me see, I thought it was aluminum, but it might be stainless. Yeah, it's stainless. So it's a stainless steel. It's not going to have any worries about this cracking for sure. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll go ahead and vacuum seal this using the Vac100 real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so to use this with your Vac 100, just go ahead and turn your power on. Make sure your power button in the back is on as well. And then one side, you're going to put right here in this vacuum pump. That's your access to your vacuum pump. You're going to put one side there, and then you're going to put the other right here on top of your lid. So just like that. Hold it in place. Then you're just going to hit the pump. Hit the pump button. That's going to count down. You can actually stop it. You can actually go ahead and hit stop on this so that it doesn't really need to keep vacuuming. Once the vacuum is done, it's sealed up. This top's not going to come off. See that little button is now all the way down inside there. If that ever pops out, you know you lost your vacuum. So unlock it. Just pull your blue tab here on the top. See that pops out, and then you're ready to go. So super simple, guys. You're not going to have to worry about that ever cracking or breaking. I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's funny, that little gasket on the hose pops off every once in a while. The hand pump here real quick. Same thing, guys. You just put it right here on top, and you just, depending on how much stuff you have in there, it's going to determine how long it takes for this to cause a vacuum. Not very long. You see that little clear button is all the way down in there. So we got a good vacuum on it already. Again, just release it and it's done. And that's it, guys. You got 3 different sizes. It's going to last a long time with anything you put in there. Like I said, I usually put coffee and stuff in there, but you can put flour, all kinds of grains, pretty much anything you want. But that's it, guys. Check it out on the JVR website. There's a link down below. Check out the Vac 100 as well, and all their other vac products that they have. They have the Vac 110, Vac 310, and all that. So check them out. Next time you're looking for a chamber sealer, look at JVR and the Vac 100. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on the next fire and water cooking video. Have a good day.